back to my channel. I am over the moon excited to share this dessert with you all. This has been a recipe that I've been dying to make for years now, to the point where even a YouTube channel wasn't even thought of. For those who may not know, I come from an Italian Sicilian heritage. My mom's side is from northern Italy and my dad's side is from Sicily. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are making zeppole. This is a very popular and delicious dessert and is served during the Festa di San Giuseppe or Feast of St. Joseph, which is celebrated on March 19th. I hope you are all ready to try this Italian dessert. So with that being said, let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking. To get started on making your zeppole, we are going to be making the custard cream filling first. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 5 egg yolks, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 to 2 teaspoons of orange zest, 1 cup of heavy cream, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. To get started, pour your milk into a saucepan, then place it over the stove at low heat. We are only heating up the milk, so make sure it does not come to a boil. While the milk is heating up, separate your eggs. Make sure to wash your hands after separating your eggs. Then whisk together the egg yolks with the cornstarch until it is well combined. Alright, the milk is nice and warm. We're going to remove it from the stove and slowly add it into our egg cornstarch mixture. Once everything is mixed together, pour your mixture back into the saucepan and whisk constantly over low heat until the cream thickens. Remove it from the stove once it starts to boil. Mix together your vanilla extract, orange zest, and salt. Then mix until it's all combined. This smelled amazing when I was mixing it. It honestly reminded me of summer. Next, pour your cream into a large bowl. Place plastic wrap right on top of the cream to prevent any skin from forming. Then pop it into the fridge and let it cool. While that is cooling down, in your electric mixer, whisk together your heavy cream and powdered sugar. Gradually add your granulated sugar and increase the speed until it is nice and fluffy. Finally, take your cream out of the fridge and slowly fold in the whipped cream until it is nice and smooth. And there you have it. You have your custard cream filling for your zeppole. Alright, next we are going to make the ricotta filling for the zeppole. You'll need 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 2 tablespoons of grated chocolate, 2 tablespoons of orange zest, about 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can add more or less sugar depending on your taste preference, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 2 teaspoons of almond extract. If you have someone in your family who is allergic to nuts, you can totally replace the almond extract with vanilla extract. This filling is really easy to make. In a large bowl, add in all your ingredients. And mix until it's nice and smooth. See? Told you it was easy. This filling also smells really good while making it. The orange zest and the almond extract made an amazing smell in the kitchen I could not get over. Place the custard filling and the ricotta filling back into the fridge to chill while we make the Zeppole pastry shells. To make the shells, you'll need a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and 1 teaspoon of orange zest. To get started, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then head over to the stove. In a saucepan, combine your water and butter over medium heat and let it come to a boil. Next, reduce your heat to low and add in your flour and salt. Stir the mixture in the pan until it forms a ball. Then remove it from the stove and add in your eggs one at a time and stir until it's well combined. While making this part of the pastry shells, it reminded me of the churros I made for my Disney Churro Bites video. Alright, the dough is nice and smooth. It is time to add in the sugar, lemon zest, and orange zest, and mix them all together. It was so much fun adding in all of the lemon zest and the orange zest. It reminded me so much of summer, and since I studied abroad, it definitely reminded me of the Amalfi Coast, smelling all of those fresh lemons that were growing all over Sorrento. Pour your dough into a piping bag with a large star tip. On your baking sheet, pipe out the dough into a circle shape. Make sure to keep them a few inches apart from each other.
and place them in the oven for 10 minutes. Once those 10 minutes are up, reduce the heat to 350 degrees and let them bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're a light brown. Remove them from the stove and place them on a wire rack. Then take your knife and immediately cut the pastry shells. This will allow steam to escape. Allow your pastry shells to cool, then it is time to assemble the zeppole. Pour your custard cream into a piping bag with a large star tip. And pour your ricotta filling in a piping bag with a round tip. Or if you are using a disposable piping bag like I am, just cut off a little bit of the tip. Next, fill in your pastry shells with the filling of your choice. Add a little bit of the filling to the top of the shells. Then top them off with a maraschino cherry. If you don't like a maraschino cherry, or if you are allergic to cherries, you don't have to add them. Then lightly dust powdered sugar to the top and you are all ready to celebrate St. Joseph's Day.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video comes. I had a lot of fun sharing a little bit of my culture with all of you, and I hope you enjoy your zeppole on St. Joseph's Day. Once again, if any of you recreated the desserts I've made on this channel, please send them to me at this Instagram account so you can get an awesome shout out. If you like learning facts about the Irish bread and the zeppole and you would like me to try out more cultural desserts, please comment down below any recipes you would like to see featured on this channel. I already have a list going and I would love to add more to it. Hope everyone is still staying safe and well. Enjoy your zeppole and have an amazing St. Joseph's Day. Ciao!